School, Surabaya. Honorable to juries and honorable to audiences. And now I would like to tell in my pro opinion about how important is AI in educational system. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we can see, the world is fully changed. In the past, we need search one by one, self by self in the library, information in the book that we need. But nowadays, the world is different. It's fully changed with the big technology called AI. By only we chat the AI can give us the big information that we need. So, as we know, AI is very big technology that's very changed the world. For example, like Siri, Gemini, and also ChatGPT. That is the three biggest technology AI that we use now. So, AI is have a very good side that we need use in our educational system. The first reason why AI is very important is AI is effective. AI can give us information that is very effective and quickly. Maybe in the few seconds, AI can give the big data and analytic that the information can give to us very quickly. Second, AI is ready 24/7. What does that mean? That means AI can give us information whenever, what the time is, maybe it's night, morning, afternoon, AI can still give us information. By that, maybe in the midnight we need some information about educational, maybe for mathematics, physics, or economic, AI can give the information and analytic quickly in that time, anytime we want. The third is error reduction. AI is very, we can't say it perfect, but it's very good at the give the analytic and also information. Human can be error or something, but AI maybe only little bit to become error. So, as we know, every technology have a good and also bad side. We are human beings must give wisely to this AI. Maybe AI can change the teachers yet, but some days AI will be developed as a big one. We are students need to give AI by wisely. We need to use it very wisely. By that, our educational system will be in the front. We will become very developed and very good. So guys, that is for my statement for MOSI 1. Bye-bye.